Hi children, how are you? I hope you are doing well, isn't it? Today, we are going to learn about an interesting topic, adverbs of frequency. Children, do you know what is adverbs of frequency? Come on, let us see. Adverbs of frequency. An adverb of frequency is exactly an adverb of time. It indicates time. Adverbs of frequency always describes how often something happens. Understand, children? Adverb of frequency is exactly an adverb of time. And how often something happens? Always. I always go to temple. That means he is doing it regularly, daily. Never. Often. Rarely. Usually. Generally. These are all adverb of time. So they are called adverbs of frequency. Here are some examples, children. He listens to the radio. He listens to the radio. He often listens to the radio. Often means sometimes. He often listens to the radio. He listens to the radio. He often listens to the radio. I take sugar in my coffee. I take sugar in my coffee. I sometimes take sugar in my coffee. Rani helps her mother in the kitchen, usually. Rani usually helps her mother in the kitchen. Usually means it happens 90%. That means whenever she finds time, she helps her mother. They watch TV in the afternoon. Never. They never watch TV in the afternoon. In this adverbs of frequency, here by the happening of that verb, it is mentioned as if it happens 100%, that means always. If it happens 100% without any pause, without any gap, we should say it always. If it is 90%, we should say usually. Usually means he will do every day, but when there will be some gaps. If it is normally or generally, it is 80%. If it is 80%, we should use normally or generally. Often or frequently means it is 70%. Sometimes means it is 50%. If it is 30%, we should say occasionally. Occasionally, whenever the occasion happens. If it is 10%, we should say seldom. If it is 5%, hardly ever or rarely. If it is 0%, we should say never. So, based upon the work happens, we should use the words as we always, usually, normally, often, sometimes, occasionally, seldom, hardly, never, like that. I always go to the library. Always go to the library means every day he used to go to the library. Okay, it happens 100%. 100% means regularly he goes to the library. If it happens like that, we should say, I always go to the library. I usually do exercise. I usually do exercise means sometimes there will be gaps. There may be gaps. Okay. So then we should say, I usually do exercise. Here some rules are there for this. If a sentence has only one verb, place the adverb of frequency in the middle of the sentence. If a sentence has only one verb, we should place the adverb of frequency in the middle of the sentence so that it is positioned after the subject but before the verb. Here you see, Tom never flies. Tom never flies. Flies is the main verb. Tom is the subject. Never. Never means it is 0%. It is adverb of frequency. He never flies. In another example, he always takes the bus. He always takes the bus. Here, takes is the main verb and always is the adverb of frequency. Understood, children? When a sentence contains more than one verb, place the adverb of frequency before main verb. Here, in this sentence, they have often visited America. There are two verbs. Identify them, children. Have and visited. Visited is the main verb. Have is a helping verb. So the adverb of frequency as mentioned in the middle of them, that is before the main verb. So in this, have is the verb, visited is the main verb, and often is adverb of frequency. Here some the list of some adverbs of frequency has been given here. Always, annually, constantly, daily, frequently, generally, later, never. Here is the list of adverbs of frequency. Only some are there. Understood, children? Now, one Google form has been, worksheet has been given in the box. So you should fill it. And if you have any questions, you ask your teacher. Okay? Bye, children.
Endeavor.